Dear students of class 9, I am going to start chapter 14, name of chapter Statistics, Measure of Central Tendency. The three measures of central tendency for ungrouped data are first mean, second median, third mode. First mean. Mean is found by adding all the values of the observations and dividing it by the total number of observations. It is denoted by x bar. So x bar is equal to sum of all observations divided by number of observations. This implies that x bar equals to, suppose number of observations are x1, x2, x3 dot 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 xn. So x bar can be written x1 plus x2 plus x3 dot 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 plus xn by n. This implies that x bar is equal to sigma xi, lower limit I is equal to 1 to upper limit I is equal to n. This whole divided by n. There are three methods to find the mean of the given data. A. Direct method. We make the following table. We first write class interval, then frequency fi, then mid value xi, and then in this column we write xi into fi. We add this column and we write sigma xi fi. We add this column, we write sigma fi. By direct method, we get mean equals to sigma xi fi by sigma fi. B. Assumed mean method or shortcut method. For this method, we make the following table. Class interval, frequency fi, mid value xi, di is deviation and its value is xi minus a, assumed mean a. And this column, in this column we write fi into di. We add this column, we write sigma fi di. We add this column, we write sigma fi. By assumed mean method, we get mean equals to assumed mean a plus sigma fi di by sigma fi. This column divided by this column, sum of this column divided by sum of this column, where a is the assumed mean of mid value xi. C. Step deviation method. In this method, we make the following table. Class interval, frequency fi, mid value xi, di deviation, xi minus a is assumed mean, ui is equal to di by h, deviation divided by class size, h is class size. And in this column we write fi ui. Now we add this column, we write sigma fi ui, we add this column, we write sigma fi. Here di is equal to deviation, a is assumed mean, h is class size. By step deviation method we get mean equals to a plus sigma fi ui by sigma fi into h, h is class size, sigma fi is the sum, that is total of this column, sigma fi that is sum, that is total of this column, into h means class size. Second, median. Median is the value of middlemost observations. We arrange the data in ascending order. If the observation, number of observation n is odd, then we write median equals to n plus 1 by 2th term. B. If number of observation n is even, then median equals to n by 2th term plus n by 2 plus 1th term divided by 2. That is the average of n by 2 and n by 2 plus 1. This is the formula of median when number of observation n is even. Third, mode. Mode is the most frequently occurring observation. So these are the definitions and formula of the chapter Statistics. I will meet you next day with another set of questions. Thank you very much.